Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up channel. In this one, we're going to be taking a quick look at this very tough G-SHOCK. Well, all G-SHOCKs are tough. This one just happens to be the toughest of the toughest. This is the Frogman GWF-D1000-1ER. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys and going through some of its features, not in depth, just briefly, and then in a future video I will be reviewing this watch as well. So we get the usual G-SHOCK packaging here, as you can see. Also today I am wearing my Seiko SBDC 065. I'm very happy with this one. Review coming very soon. Now let's open this box up. You get yourself the warranty stuff, where you bought it, etc. 3 years of warranty, and some stuff here, and also you get a very thick manual, of course in different languages I would believe, but nonetheless a very thick manual because, well, this watch needs it. It has a lot of features, so that's why it's so thick. Now open this one up and we are greeted by the default G-SHOCK aluminum box. Open that one up and bam, there is the Frogman. So as you can see, it is one large watch indeed. This is a 53mm in diameter watch, so it's definitely no dress watch. It's 18mm thick, it's got 20 atmosphere or 200 meters of water resistance. It has the tough solar feature, so it charges up via light, and it also has the multi-band 6 technology, which means it's going to take a radio signal every day or so and it will correct the time. So this watch is practically always going to be right on time. As you can see here on the band, it says triple sensor, and that's because it has a compass and it has a depth sensor here that can read depths of up to 80 meters, and it also has a temperature sensor, which is most useful in the water. It's got a thick sapphire glass here, which is just fantastic. You don't see sapphire every day on G-SHOCKs. And I just have to say, the feel of this watch is fantastic. I mean, I have owned a few G-SHOCKs in the past. I've owned a few square G-SHOCKs, and those in comparison, they're nothing compared to this watch. They are basically just children's playing toys. This is the real deal. It has a DLC coated stainless steel case back. It's quite hefty and it's just so sturdy. The band also has some carbon fiber, maybe inlaying or something like that, which is going to make sure that it does not break, which is also fantastic, as I'll show you now in some more detail. As you can see, the carbon fiber there. Very cool watch. It of course lights up as per usual with G-SHOCKs. Here I believe you have a tide graph, and running through its features, we have the recording function, which you can access by pressing this button, which will basically take a print screenshot of the time and all of the stuff that you're seeing on your screen right now. And then if you go into this log mode, you will see your past screenshots. The next mode is the stopwatch, just a basic functional stopwatch. Very nice. We set it here. Then we have a timer, we have an alarm, we have the world time, we have a temperature, we have the temperature here, which is most useful underwater. We have the tide stuff here. I do not actually know what this is. I'm going to have to do some research for the final review. Oh wait, I do believe this shows you when it received the radio signal last, so that was today at 3 AM. So that means the watch is up to date with its time. That's perfect. Then you go back to the normal time again. So overall, very cool watch. Now, I'm just going to take off my Seiko and I'm going to show you it on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. And then if you want some more information about this watch, subscribe and stay tuned for my review of it, because that will cover the features and all of that in more detail. So there it is on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. I have quite a large wrist, but this watch, it just dwarfs my wrist. This is definitely a watch that you do not want to wear with formal attire. If you're out in the wilderness though, or you're diving, doing some surviving, something like that, I don't know, this watch is perfect. So stay tuned for my final review of this watch. It'll probably come up in a few weeks or so. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.